Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 11 Wi-Fi adapter disappeared. So if you do not see it under your network and internet settings, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, again exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, close out of here and any open programs and applications you may have on your screen and restart your computer. And then hopefully again your issue should have been resolved and you should be able to access your Wi-Fi adapter. Now if you're still having a problem, you may want to just completely reset your network settings back to default. So make sure you have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because once we're done our next step, you will need to enter them back in order to get back online. So just keep that in mind, take note of them, and then we're going to proceed on with the tutorial. And that will entail opening up the search menu, and you want to type in network reset. Best match should come back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath Network Reset on the right panel, this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now option. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. And now at this point, go ahead and close out of here. And you will need to restart your computer. And that should hopefully be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.